Hey, what's up guys? I'm right here right now meeting up with the seller. I'm actually buying a Nissan 240SX. I've been planning to get a drift car, but also a daily that probably much not gonna drift, but finally got the car, got the title in hand, and I'm about to head out with this. And this is how the car looks like. So this is a 1997 Nissan Quickie. It's automatic with super low miles. It's super low, like you guys would not even guess it. It's crazy. Yeah, I got it for a pretty good deal, which is pretty clean. The interior is pretty immaculate, I say. So you take a look. Hopefully the camera picks it up, but everything is complete bone stock. It's automatic, but no crack dash. Everything is just nice. It does need a lot of work to it. Thank you, man, for selling me your car, man. I love it. It's freaking awesome. I just love it. I'm happy with it. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if it passed smog. Oh man, nerve-wracking. I wanted to pass smog. Can't wait. You think it passed or fail?
Too nice to fail.
It's too nice to fail? You're right, man. It is too nice. Look at that beauty. Moment of truth. Yeah! It passed! Woo! Good morning, guys. I'm here at the DMV this morning. I'm here to get my registration, pay for my registration, and get my tags. It is exactly 8:06 a.m. I'm here early just to get my tags done. Have this car legally registered so I can drive it around the street and have some fun in it. Yeah, let's get to it and stay tuned. So what happened was, when I went to the DMV in San Jose, they were actually closed and no one was allowed. So I took a trip there not knowing if it was open or not during this quarantine. Just went there to see if they were open, so they were closed. Luckily, the one in Santa Clara was open, so I finally got my tags and everything done over there in Santa Clara right here. I'm just thankful that it's open and I was able to get my shit done. So yeah. So I just got home from the DMV. I'm about to put my tags on my S14 and it's official when it's on.
A few moments later.
Finally got it in one piece. Finally took it out. Took a while, but finally got it out. Now for the new tag. But first, I gotta clean this part right here. Make sure it's smooth. Use a towel. Dab some water on this. I don't really have any spray or anything to clean it down, so I'll just wipe it with a microfiber towel and some water. Hopefully that will do the trick. Just clean off all this dirt and whatever is there. Make it much smoother and cleaner so the sticker can stick on better. That'll do it. Always stay hydrated. It's hot in Cali, so always stay hydrated. It's official, guys. It is official. Took a while just to rip that off. Now it's official. Good morning, guys. So we're here at the gas station, about to pump some gas right now. Me and my bro thinking about our cars. Get on the road, head out to Fresno, and thanks for my bro for going out with me out there to pick up my cars. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm almost there. I'm almost here in Fresno. I'm like a couple miles away from Ray's place, the previous owner. I'm about to go pick up the parts. So yeah, we're almost there. It's a long 2.5 hour drive from Sac to Fresno. So get our parts, or get my parts, and get back home safely. Alright guys, I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so I'm here. I'm about to pull up to this spot. About to bust a U. Alright. I'm here. Oh, alright. That was a long drive, but I'm finally here. I'm gonna wait for this guy to come out. Grab the parts and everything. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? You doing good? Shit. That was a long ass drive, but we here. But I'm actually here to pick up my stock S14 wheels and a manual tranny right here. because he's giving it to me with the car that I bought the car off of him. So pick this up, and I'm getting USDM rear bumper too. Right now he's looking for it.
No, that one's that.
Is that your place? Okay.
We'll get that one.
Okay. That's it. Pretty much everything stock. All right. So, all right, man.
If I ever clean out the garage and I'll find something.
Yeah. Just let me know, man. If you got any more S14 parts, just let me know.
Yeah.
I'll come around, or we can meet somewhere. You know, get the parts.
Yeah,
All right.
we'll
But I'll
see
keep
our
you.
cars up at a car meet or something.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. I come down here though. In Fresno. Car meet.
I go over there too.
Oh yeah. Come to the Bay, bro. Thank you, bro. Catch you later, man.
Later, man.
Thank you for everything, man. It was a long drive, but we made it. Now we gotta go back. Hey guys, so I'm back home to my parents' place in Sac. I just made it here like a minute ago. Now just gotta unload the tranny and the bumper, and also those wheels that I got from the previous owner, Ray. Those wheels are actually 180 SX OEM wheels. If you guys can see, they're actually OEM Sylvia wheels. I didn't know that. I just found out right now. My cousin just told me that these are actually 180 SX wheels. I don't think I'm gonna keep them since they're a 4-lug. I might slap them on my S14. I might throw them on, but I won't be running these for sure because I want some. Because these are 4-lugs, and I'm not gonna run 4-lugs for long. So I might be selling these. So if you guys want them, hit me up. Comment under the video or message me on IG. If you guys want them, let me know, and I'll probably just get rid of them and sell it to you. There you go. These are OEM 180 SX wheels. The owner told me that these wheels were from the other previous owner. He bought the JDM kit, which was the rear bumper, front bumper, the wing, and he got these as a shipment all together. And he was running these before these work tire wraps that are on the car right now. So yeah, time to unload these and throw them in the backyard. It's pretty empty, so we just might throw it in the backyard. So we just popped the trunk, right? And this is, whoa, like, yo, look at all that oil leaking there. Good thing we had this plastic to cover the trunk, because this would have spilled everywhere on the trunk. Good idea if we put that plastic on there. Oh, man. All right, guys, that's it for today. Well, actually for right now. There's more to come. Do like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment, you know, anything that has to do with 240s or the S chassis. Let me know, especially for the S14. I'm pretty new to this S chassis game, and I'm trying to learn more, and I'm trying to make this car the best it could be. Just how it looks and how it would stand out, and just breaknecks, like, you know what I'm saying, breaknecks. But you know, thank you guys for watching my videos and supporting me and supporting my channel. And as for next time, keep driving, never stop. Peace.